In today's video, I'm showing you how to create a sparkly ethereal makeup look, a quick and easy way to add a more whimsical look to your makeup, and how you can create this look with any colors or products that you already have. First, we're starting out with the base color. Here I'm using the Norvina palette for the Soul shade, which is a periwinkle blue, and I'm putting this in the outer corners in the crease and blending that out towards the eyebrows. But you can use any matte eyeshadow shade for the base color. And now I'm filling in the eyelid area with the same shade. And extending that shade beneath the eye as well. Now to add the ethereal sparkles, I'm using the Garden of Juvia palette and using this light green shade and putting it over the area that we blended out. Using this everywhere above the lid, going up towards the eyebrows and in the inner corners. Then using this purple pink shade and putting this in the center of the eye, blending into the outer corners. And you can use any Color Shift sparkle shade for this. Then adding a little bit in the inner eye corner and the outer corner. Then to finish this look with mascara and false lashes. And that completes this colorful ethereal sparkle makeup look. You could replicate this look with any colors or any sparkles, using the same method of putting down a base color and then adding the sparkles after. But I really like the combination of the periwinkle green and pink shades. Combined together, the colors remind me of the Aurora Borealis. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below, and let me know what color combination you think I should try next.